Welcome to JH. Today, you will learn how to set up two-factor authentication on your LinkedIn account using Google Authenticator in under 5 minutes. This security layer protects your profile by requiring both your password and a unique code from an app, making it significantly harder for unauthorized users to gain access. Let's begin. First, navigate to linkedin.com using your preferred web browser. Log into your account using your email and password, or your Google or Microsoft credentials. If you have previously enabled security features, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone. Before moving forward, ensure the Google Authenticator app is installed on your mobile device. You can find it in the Google Play Store for Android or the Apple App Store for iOS. This app is necessary for generating the verification codes. Once the app is ready, go back to LinkedIn and click your profile icon at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy to open your account settings. Look for this Sign In and Security section and then click on Two-Step Verification. Choose the option to turn on two-step verification and select Authenticator app as your verification method. This allows you to use Google Authenticator for your codes. After selecting this, click Continue. LinkedIn will now ask you to re-enter your password to confirm you are the account owner. Now, open the Google Authenticator app on your phone and tap the plus icon to add a new account. Select Other and name the account LinkedIn to keep things organized. LinkedIn will provide a QR code or a secret key. Use the app to scan the code or enter the key manually. Once LinkedIn is added to your app, it will start generating 6-digit codes. To finish the setup, type the current 6-digit code from the app into the LinkedIn prompt. If entered correctly, your account is now fortified with two-factor authentication, providing much better protection for your professional data. This simple process offers peace of mind knowing your account is secure. If you have any questions, feel free to ask for help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more essential cybersecurity tips.